What's up, beautiful babes? It's your girl Sweet Angel. Hey, y'all have asked me so many times about a dark circles under eye home remedy, and today we are going to do that. But before we get started, if this is our first date, you know what you gotta do. You gotta get my digits, and the way you get that is you've got to subscribe. Yes, you do. You've got to subscribe. And if you really want a second date, hit that notification bell, and that way you'll be notified each and every time I upload. Let's get to this, okay? Let's talk about dark circles under eyes. Y'all know we've all experienced it. I know I do. I'm a blues singer, and y'all know sometimes them late nights, them smoky clubs, they would definitely get to your eyes. And beautiful babes, the skin around the eyes, oh my goodness, they're pretty sensitive. Y'all already know that though, right? This is why, anytime you're doing your cosmetics, your makeup, always treat that area very delicately. Yes, you do. And to basically, what we're here today for is to try to avert the dark circles around the eyes. Yes, a way to stop it, remove them, get rid of them, prevent them, and we want a natural way to do it. And today I'm going to share with you a very, very great way to do that. Now, what causes dark circles under the eyes? If you don't know, a lot of times, we are just born with it. Heredity, absolutely. Heredity plays a big role in the majority of people who have dark circles under their eyes or around their eyes. And also another thing is not enough sleep. And that's happened to me time and time again. Late nights, partying, alcohol, drinking too much, or again, smoky atmospheres, or if you are a smoker, it will definitely cause dark circles under the eyes. And also, a lot of times there are medications that do cause dark circles. The other thing is rubbing your eyes too much, too hard. Your eyes are very delicate. Do you rub your eyes constantly? Do you do that? That is not a good thing. And one of the biggest things, especially for women, is a lot of times a vitamin deficiency. If you don't eat enough fresh vegetables and some fruits that contain vitamin K, you may also suffer from dark eyes because of that. But enough about that. It's time to really find out how you can help remove and eliminate those dark circles. So we're going to whip up something that's pretty simple. All you need is three simple ingredients. And here we go. The first ingredient is aloe. Yes, aloe vera gel. And why aloe vera gel? Because it has a vitamin E oil, and it is great with and loaded with anti-pigmentation properties. Absolutely. Aloe vera gel helps to improve the blood circulation and reduce puffiness. Yes, it does. It reduces puffiness under the eyes. Along with that, it also fades away dark circles, and that's the most important thing right here. It fades away the dark circles. The next ingredient is a vitamin E oil. Yes, vitamin E oil helps fight the effect of free radicals, and they accelerate your aging and lead to all sorts of negative health problems. Absolutely. That's what free radicals do, and vitamin E definitely helps to fight the effects of free radicals. This is great for your skin, and it also helps with aging, getting rid of those fine lines. Yes, it does. And the final ingredient, here we are with our almond oil. Yes, almond oil, y'all, works as a good home remedy to reducing dark circles. Since it's rich in nutrients, this stuff, y'all, is rich in all kind of great nutrients, just like vitamin E, potassium, zinc, proteins, monosaturated fatty acids. Exactly. This is a powerful little pack bottle of great stuff, and it lightens and reduces dullness, making it one of the best natural remedies to get rid of dark circles. Are we ready to get this together? And y'all, I always, let me tell you, because of the fact that I have so many little mixtures that I'm always working on and so many of these little bottles laying around, y'all know I have to label my stuff. So this little bottle is one. I got these from Amazon, and I will go ahead and put that link below for you so that you can get some in case you're sharing a lot of time with me and you're whipping up all kind of great things for yourself. So I will put that down. What I'm going to do is just take these little labels, which again, I shop at Amazon a lot. I got these from Amazon, and I'm just going to write on here my dark circle treatment. I'm just going to take this little label and put it on this little bottle. So I am ready to start mixing up these items. Now, with each of these, let's measure out exactly what we'll need. I'm just going to take the top off of my bottle here. So got the bottle all ready, and I have my tablespoon, and you'll need a teaspoon. Aloe vera gel, we're taking for the aloe vera gel 2 tablespoons, like so. And we'll let her go right into the bottle. Just like that. Tablespoon number 2. And that is perfect. For the vitamin E oil, we'll need half teaspoon of that. A half of a teaspoon, just like so. This one is 50,000 IU. Now, if you're using one that has lesser IU, make sure you just add a little bit extra in there. That one is pretty potent. So I better switch hands. So I want to waste it, and we'll do it just like that. And for the almond oil, we'll need exactly 1 teaspoon, like so. Bottoms up. There we go. Now that was extra simple, right? Now let's just take this and we'll shake it up. Now after mixing all of the ingredients, you'll notice that it now has like a matte texture, kind of cloudy now, which is the way it should be. Exactly. We'll make sure it's mixed up really, really well. Now this cream, all you gotta do is apply it before bedtime. I know we always say at nighttime, before bed, overnight, leave it on overnight, da 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 da. But let me tell you, that's just the norm because most people do sleep at night. But bedtime, whether you start your bedtime at 1 o'clock in the morning, 8 o'clock at night, 3 o'clock in the afternoon, put it on before you go to bed. This will relieve and refresh the skin around the eyes. Yes, it will. I promise you. Now, it is ready to use and apply. And simply, I'm using a little pump bottle, which makes this so much easier. And we'll just put it on our finger like so and dab under the eye. And if you have darkness all around your eye, that's fine to do. It is definitely fine to do. Now, you go to sleep. Yes, when you wake up, the results, I promise you, are visible right after the first treatment. You'll notice a bigger difference in your eyes day by day by day. Continue to do it. It's just like a relationship, babies. I tell you, you got to work on it. You can't do it the first night and say, okay, I'm through. It didn't work. She lied to me. Don't be like that, okay? Keep it up. Keep it up. If it's that important to you, you're going to keep it up. So make sure you do it. Maintenance, make it part of your daily routine. Yes, this is it here. This is your dark circle under eye treatment. This will definitely make a difference in your life. Now, this can be kept in this bottle in a cool, dark place, dry place for up to 1 month. Exactly. There's no refrigeration needed. Y'all. Oh, I hope you got something out of this video today. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Absolutely. I really do appreciate it. Hey guys, I appreciate all of the support. You have been fabulous to me. So please, if you have not subscribed, come on, show your girls some love, some real love today. Like, comment, subscribe. And you know you can't keep me a secret. Mom and them need to know about me too. So share me with your world.